$100 per day. What I want to show you in today's video is 8 websites to make $100 per day in 2020. But first I want to ask you a question. What would $100 per day do for your life? What could you accomplish with an additional $100? Could you pay off some debt? Would you buy a new car? Would you just put food on the table? Or is it going to keep you caught up? Keep you above water? What is $100 going to do for you? Answer that down in the comment section below. So before I get into this list of 8 websites to make $100 per day in 2020, I want to ask you to do one thing. Just a simple favor. Smash that thumbs up button because it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's jump into the video. The first way where you can make $100 per day is by selling stuff on a website called Etsy. It's called Etsy.com. I'll put up a screenshot so you can kind of see what it looks like. But Etsy is a website where people that make stuff come and sell their items on this website or this platform. One of the things that I personally love doing, and I've been doing for a while, is I create a digital product. I create a printable. And what a printable product essentially is, it is a product such as a maybe a baby shower game where people can download this game, they print it from their printer, and they get to use it however many times they want. They can print it once, 10 times, 50 times, 100 times. They can use it unlimited amount of times. They only have to buy it one time. And that's a printable. And for me, usually what I like to do is I like to sell these for in between like $4 to $7. And I make the majority of that money, okay, because Etsy takes a very small portion, which means I don't have to make very many sales per day in order to reach my $100 per day goal. So if you're looking for a website that you can sell stuff that you have created or that you have purchased that is somewhat of, looks handmade, Etsy's the platform for you. Now there's other sites out there, eBay is one, Amazon's another one, Mercari is another website where you can sell this stuff. However, in my personal opinion, Etsy's the place to go to get top dollar for all your products. The second website that I highly recommend in order to make $100 per day in 2020 is Kindle Direct Publishing, which is also an Amazon.com website. Now, what is Kindle Direct Publishing and how can I make $100 per day? Well, Kindle Direct Publishing is where you can publish a Kindle ebook. So what that means is you go and you type up your favorite ebook. You create something yourself, right? You write some short story, you write a little novel, maybe you write a book about 100 facts about Donald Trump or something, and you go and sell this book. The nice thing about this is if you sell it for $2.99, that means you are going to get, after Amazon and Kindle takes their fees, you're going to get about $2. $2 for every $2.99 sale, which means in order to get $100 per day, you need to sell 50 books. That's not that hard, especially if you have more than just one book. Now, let me give you a tip. Let me give you a pro tip, some advice when it comes to publishing books on Kindle. What you need to do after you publish these books is you need to give them away as fast as possible, because what this does is it increases your BSR, which stands for the bestseller rank. And as soon as your BSR gets increased and it goes up and maybe you're the #1 book on the Kindle publishing platform, what happens is people will just start flooding to Amazon and buying your book, which usually means more sales, more money. So the second website that I recommend is Kindle Direct Publishing. The third website that I recommend, and you're probably wondering, when's this guy going to talk about this? When's he going to bring it up? Well, the third website, and this is not in any order, but the third website where you can make $100 per day in 2020 is, you guessed it, YouTube. I absolutely love YouTube. If you don't know, I have over 30 YouTube channels. Most of them are making money right now. The best part about this is, for one, I make well over $100 per day on YouTube. But the cool thing is, okay, that $100 I make, the majority of it is passive income. And that's what I absolutely love about YouTube. Now, if you didn't see the video that I did yesterday, I'm going to link to it right here. You can go and check it out, where I show you how to earn $5,000 per month uploading simple videos online. I walk you through the process, show you how it's done, and how people are actually making money. So if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out now. I'll also put links to multiple videos that will help you out, after you watch this video. They'll all be down in the description box below, so you can go check all of them out there. The reason why I am an advocate of YouTube and why I absolutely love YouTube is simple. I can create 10 videos on one single day, and then I can upload those videos in 10 consecutive days. What you would see is a video every single day, like I'm working hard every single day, when in reality I didn't create that video that morning, I didn't edit that video that morning, I didn't publish that video that morning. I created, edited, and published all 10 videos in one single day. And then I have all this time to spend throughout the week. I can take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and focus all my time into Etsy or maybe my Kindle direct publishing business. So now I have multiple streams of income. So essentially YouTube is extremely passive. You do the work one time, sit back, let the views roll in, and start making money from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, maybe sponsored posts, course sales, products, whatever. There's so many ways to make $100 per day on YouTube, and that's why I highly recommend you jump in right now. The fourth website where you can make $100 per day in 2020 is called Clickfunnels. Now, you probably heard of this website. You've probably seen it before. You may have one of these websites. You may have this software. Clickfunnels is essentially just a website builder. That's all it really is. Now, how do you make money on Clickfunnels? Well, for one, you could go and create websites and sell these websites or these templates to other people and make money that way. However, what I'm suggesting you do is go and create and go and sign up and become a Clickfunnels affiliate. Okay? What that means is now you can promote their software, you can promote their additional products, some of the things like that. And here's the cool part. With Clickfunnels, you get a 40% recurring commission. So what that means, so for the people that don't know out there, Clickfunnels for their base software is $97 a month. So 40% of that is what you get every single month. It's a recurring commission, which means every single month you get $38.80 per month for one person buying the Clickfunnels software. But not only that, you want to make $100 per day using Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels right now has a little program that they're doing. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. Anybody that signs up for the One Funnel Away Challenge pays $100 to learn how to create one funnel and start making money from it. Okay, they pay $100, and Clickfunnels, being that the great company they are, will give you $100 for referring that customer. So you get 100% commission. The cool thing about this, and the best part is, one sale equals $100. You make $100 today, get one sale. That's all you need. The fifth website that I highly recommend if you want to make $100 per day in 2020 is called BuilderAll. Now, I just talked about Clickfunnels, and I want to address BuilderAll because I feel that BuilderAll has a little more potential for many people. Here's the reason why. You want to make $100, right? $100. BuilderAll does not cost $97 like Clickfunnels does. BuilderAll, the most expensive software that they have right now, their most expensive plan is $69. I think it's like $69.90 or something like that. $69. Here's the cool part. You want to make $100? BuilderAll pays you 100% of the first month's commission. So someone signs up for I think it's the platinum plan or something like that. This plan is $69. You get $69. Let's say they sign up for one of the starter plans, which is like $9 or $19, or I think there's one for $27 or something like that. Anyway, you would get 100% of that. And then every single month after, you get 30%. So you get 100% on month one, 30% month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, month 184, you get 30% commission. That's the cool thing. So with BuilderAll, all you gotta do is sell one of the main packages, which is $69, and one of the $30 packages. That will get you $100 per day in commissions. Again, this is more affiliate marketing, but the cool thing about this is you can get started with a free trial on BuilderAll. Okay? If you want to know more about BuilderAll, okay, let me just point this out. Let me give you a little help. Send me an email. Send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I can help you out there. I can walk you through the process, show you, and tell you how you can make $100 per day promoting BuilderAll or Clickfunnels. Just pick one. Let me know which one you need help with, and I'll help you out. The 6th website where you can make $100 per day in 2020 is Facebook. Now, I talk about Facebook all the time because it is so easy to make money on Facebook. Let me explain. Let's say you want to show people, how to, scale their business, and you go in and you create different, Facebook posts. Maybe you're a moderator. Maybe you come in and you create a Facebook, the thumbnail art, okay, the whole art for it. If you do this, you can easily make $100 per day. You can easily make $250 per day because there's so many groups, so many pages, so many people trying to build their business on Facebook. But here's what I recommend, right? I'm going to put a link down in the description box below, and I'll also put that link right there where you can go and watch a video where I show you how to earn $50 per Facebook post. Now, it's pretty simple. It's straightforward. It's a step-by-step tutorial. So go and watch that video right there so that you can see and learn exactly how to make $50 per Facebook post. Because all you need is 2 posts per day, and there you go. You're at your $100 per day goal. The 7th way to make $100 per day in 2020 is to sell stuff on eBay. Now you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds cool. I've been hearing about eBay. I know a lot of stuff about eBay. I think this is the business for me. Well, this is a great business. Now, I want to give you some additional help. There's a video right there where I show you how to get started drop shipping on Amazon, and you can drop ship from eBay to Amazon. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link to it up there, and I'll link to it down in the description box below. But here's what I recommend when it comes to eBay. You want to make $100 per day? It's actually pretty simple. What I suggest you do, go look around your house. Go and look around your garage and your attic and your shed and your basement and find items that you can list and sell. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, but what happens if I don't have anything or if I run out of items to sell? Here's what I'd recommend you do if you want to stick to that $100 per day goal, is you need to go and ask your friends, your family members, maybe your coworkers, and ask them, hey, do you have anything you just don't need right now and you would like to sell? If they say, yes, I do. I really want to sell this pen of mine. It's a great pen. I think I can sell this for $100. Well, you tell them, okay, we're going to split it 50-50. What that means is if you sell the pen for $100 and then you got to pay eBay fees of 10%, and that brings you down to 90, and PayPal fees, let's say 4%, that brings you down to 86, and then you're going to ship this pen, and let's say it's going to cost you $6. That brings you down to $80. That means after all fees, you're going to split it 50-50. So you don't split the $50 and $50 because you sold this pen for $100. You split the $80 because you split everything after the fees. So what that means is you get $80, you get $40, and your friend gets $40 for selling a pen they no longer need or want it. So that is called consignment. And the great part about this is you can easily make $100 per day, and you don't even have to have any products. All you gotta do is find people that have items you can sell and make money off of them. And the 8th website where you can easily make $100 per day in 2020 is Google. Now, here's the cool thing about Google is it's free. A lot of these websites are free, but here's something really cool that maybe you didn't know. Now, I'm gonna link to a video right there where I show you how to make $100 to $200 per day from Google Maps. The cool thing about Google Maps is a lot of people don't realize that they can get more business by being on Google Maps. a lot of these businesses out there don't realize that they are not actually on Google Maps. Well, what happens when somebody says, or somebody's driving down the street and they want, tacos for dinner, and they type in tacos near me, and then all of a sudden, and they do this in Google, Google pops up with a little map and it shows all the taco stands, all the taco restaurants near that person. What happens if that person, that business, is not on Google Maps or Google My Business? What it means is they're not making any money. They're not going to get that customer because the customer does not know that business is there. So what do? You reach out to the business owner and say, hey, for $100, I will get your business on Google Maps. I'll help you rank. I'll add pictures. I'll add the times that you're open. I'll add your phone number, everything that the customer needs to know to contact you. I'll add that all for $100. Guess what? Maybe 1 out of every 15 to 20 people you contact says yes. That means $100. So every 20 people you contact every single day means you're going to make $100. How simple is that? Now, that was the 8 websites you can use to make $100 per day in 2020. There's many more websites than just those 8, but what I suggest is to pick one of these websites. Start there. Start implementing what I talked about. Implement some strategies. Implement the different processes. Go and watch some of the other videos. Like I said, I'm going to link to all those videos that I referenced. I'm going to link to every single one down in the description box below so that you can go and check them out. Go and watch those videos. Learn the steps, learn the strategies, and start making money. The last thing that I want to say is if you think you're going to go and create 8 different businesses right now and you're going to be successful tomorrow, and you're easily going to be able to make not only $100 but $800 from these 8 different businesses every single day, you're wrong. Okay? Want to be blunt, want to be very transparent, you're wrong. That's not going to happen. You need to spend all your time and focus on 1 to 2 different business ideas. If you can do this, you're going to find success much faster. Now, if you have any questions along the way, just come back here and comment down in the comment section below. Let me know. What are you struggling with? What's not working? What can I help you with? If you do this, then I guarantee I can help you. But if you don't ask the questions that you're struggling with, I can't help you at all. So, first thing I want you to do, go and pick one of these business ideas, start there. Second thing, if you are struggling, if you need help, come back, comment below, let me know how I can help you out. But if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, smash that thumbs up button. As always, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.